Now we shall be seeing the next problem. If the density function of a random variable x is given by f of x is equal to ax. Now for this value the limits are defined for x lies between 0 and 1. Second, within that is equal to a for what range x lies between 1 and 2, and is equal to 3x minus ax where x lies between 2 and 3 and it is 0 elsewhere. It says to find the value of a and find the cumulative density function of x. Now we'll first write what all the given things are. The given thing is f of x, which is equal to a of x. For what range? For x lies between 0 and 1. We know that integration over the limits minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. This is for the case of continuous random variable. Over here our limits are defined from what range it is starting from 0 and ending at what value it is ending at 3. This value for 0 to 3 your f of x has been defined. So we'll first write in the most general manner as integration 0 to 3 f of x dx is equal to 1. Now we'll split each of this f of x over the different range of integration. So the first limit is what it says, from 0 to 1. So I'll just put it over here, from integration from 0 to 1. For 0 to 1, what is the value of f of x in the given question? Ax into dx, plus the second range is from where? It is from 1 to 2. So I am writing the limits from 1 to 2 ax dx, plus the third range of limits are what? From 2 to 3. So I'll be writing as integration from 2 to 3, and my function f of x is given for what value? For 2 to 3, what is the value? 3a minus ax dx is equal to 1. Now I need to do the integration separately for each of these. So when I take ax, a is my constant value, so I'll just take it outside. So integration of x is what? X square by 2. I'll just solve it. So I'll be getting as a I have taken outside. Integration of x is x square by 2. What are the limits over here? 0 to 1, plus again a is outside I have taken, and integration of dx is what? X over the limits 1 to 2, plus over here I had there as 3a. So integration of 3a into x minus a into x square by 2 over the limits 2 to 3 is equal to 1. Now for each of the values I shall be substituting the upper limit and lower limit. I'll first take out the constant a outside and the constant 2 outside. So a by 2 I have written outside. So when I substitute the value of upper limit in x, I'll be getting as 1 square minus lower limit is 0, plus a I'm taking it outside. Substituting the limits in this x, I'll be getting upper limit as 2, lower limit as minus 1, plus 3a is constant term I'm taking outside. In x I'm substituting my upper limit as 3, lower limit as 2. So I'll be getting 3 minus 2 minus a by 2 constant term I have taken outside. My x square is left, whereas in place of x what I'll be substituting? 3. So 3 square minus 2 square is equal to 1. So I'll just simplify more further. So I'll be getting a by 2. 1 square is anyway 1, plus 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. So again it is left with a, plus over here 3 minus 1 will fetch me 1. So this is 3a as it is, minus 9, 3 square is 9, minus 2 square is 4. So 9 minus 4 I'll be getting as 5. So 5a by 2 is equal to 1. I'll add up all these terms and this will reduce as 2a is equal to 1, or a equal to 1 by 2. Now I have got the value of a. Next step, what it says in the question, what it says? It says find the CDF of x. So how do I find the CDF of x? Cumulative distribution function is given as fx is equal to 1 Okay, or in terms of probability we can write as P of x less than or equal to x. Over here he is saying to find me this particular thing, cumulative distribution function. He is saying to find cumulative distribution function can be written as P capital X less than x, which is equal to f of x. What is f of x? For all the values from starting from what range? From 0 till 3. So I'm just opening it once again from 0 to 1. In place of value of a I have 1 by 2, so I have written 1 by 2 into x plus integral over the limits 1 to 2. In place of a I am writing 1 by x into dx plus over the limit 2 to 3, 3 by 2. How do I get 3 by 2? 3 is already there, and in place of a I have written 1 by 2 minus x into a was there. In place of a I have written 1 by 2 into dx. Now I am just simplifying it. I'll be getting as over here x square by 2. Okay, x square by 2. Before that 2 is as it is, over the limit 0 to 1 plus 1 by 2 is constant term, so I have taken it outside. Over here integration of x is integration of dx is x. Okay, over the limit 1 to 2 plus 3 by 2. Integral of 3 by 2 is 3 by 2 into x. Integral of x by 2 is what? X square by 2, and the constant term 2 is already there. Over the limits 3 by 2. Now substituting the upper limit and lower limit, I'll be getting as, in place of x square I'll be substituting 1, so I'll be getting 1, so 1 by 4. Anyway 0 means no value, plus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 is, in place of x what I have substituted? 2 minus 1, so it will be 1, so 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 into x. In place of x what I have? Upper limit 3, lower limit 2, so 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2, and this constant term 3 by 2 I'm writing it as it is, minus the constant term 1 by 4 I have taken outside. X square is 9 and 2 square is 4, so this is 9 minus 4 by 1 by 4. Okay, now which is again simplified as 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 4 is equal to 1. Now when I got the value of p x of less than or equal to x is equal to 1, that means cumulative distribution function is always defined for equal to 1, that is fx is equal to 1, hence it is satisfied.